Alright guys, VACs, visa application centers in India are suffering badly due to the curfews which have been announced in Delhi or elsewhere. We are discussing important announcements by the Canadian High Commission in India around this particular issue. Please be tuned till the end. I'm discussing this important part. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there, but right now I'm traveling to India. So if you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen for WhatsApp communication. And while I'm in India, my Indian number is there for a regular quick call. Guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss any important video, because we discuss a lot about Canadian immigration. Guys, what we are discussing today is an important aspect of Canadian immigration, the visa stamping, biometrics and all of those issues, where if you get a passport request, you need to get in touch with the VAC. If you have to submit your biometric information to Canada, you again need to get in touch with VAC. But we all know that COVID-19 pandemic crisis have been going on, and unfortunately the cities in India are now again under a lockdown. So we all know that Delhi is under a lockdown already, and Mumbai is up on the consideration list of being under a forced lockdown pretty soon. We don't know. But what the Canadian High Commission in India has tweeted very recently is that if the VAC that you are dealing with is in a city where there is a lockdown, then you can expect considerable amount of delays in the processing. There are two main aspects of this particular lockdown. The first is that if you are awaiting the two-way passport pickup service, if you are awaiting payment links and any updates, then it could be delayed in the light of this curfew. Also, if you have submitted the passport already, if you are waiting for a return of your passport, then it could be delayed, because the passport will be returned once the VACs, the visa application centers, will resume their services. Okay, so if it's not been picked up, then it's definitely delayed. And if you are awaiting the pickup of that passport, like if you are waiting it to be delivered back after the stamp, then you could also expect another amount of delay with that. Now coming over to the biometrics information, that if you have taken an appointment already and you have an appointment, but the appointment date is falling under this period of lockdown, then consider that the appointment will be delayed. Obviously it will not take place, and you will be contacted by the VAC for a new appointment. Okay, so please get in touch with your local VAC on an email. If you want to gather more updates, send them an email and see if they are ready to book a new appointment or shift your existing appointment to a later date, because for now what the High Commission says is that it's going to be cancelled if the VAC is affected by the lockdown. Guys, I hope the information does give you important pieces of information if you've been waiting for a passport request, pickup or the biometrics. If you have more information, we will definitely get back to you on this channel, but for that you will have to be subscribed. Once again, please make a note of my Canadian WhatsApp number and my Indian number. If you have to get in touch with me, please feel free to book a consultation and I would be more than happy to speak to you. It was lovely chatting with you and I wish you all the best. Hope to see you soon in Canada.